2018 since I started to go work, in abroad many place to go so, we decided to travel, where we live, Hong Kong. We don't wait memories to come, we make them. We bought our gear for coastering, hiking and trekking. We are happy for it, and also we plan where will we go for to avoid any sudden events while in the mountains or on the beach. All gears are ready to go. But wherever we end up, only one thing matters, everyone is safe and happy. So this is Hikers. Be one of us. This is Ozzy, Gretchen, Tazzy, Yusang aka Rosana, Barong aka Betty, and Del. This is Kimchi, Faith, Yvonne the Jumbo, Kits, the Hikers, and Bing. Thank you from Jumbo's team, God bless. All goods in the hood. Like and subscribe to Rogi in Hong Kong.
Alright, let's go to Castle Peak. So, we are here in the NTR, papuntang Chun Moon. So, dito ako mag-uumpisa. So, andito na kami sa Chun Moon. Nag-exit kami sa Exit B. So, ayan ang aking mga kasama. Hinanap namin kung saan kami makakakuha ng taxi papunta doon. So, nag-taxi kami kasi medyo malayo ang entrance. Pero kung gusto mong lakarin mo rin. So, ayan, nandito kami sa Monastery. Dito kami mag-i-start. Pero sa baba muna. Oh, look at the view. Ang ganda. Dito tayo mag-i-start. Dito kami mag-i-start. At dito rin mag-umpisa ang steps. So, ang haba ng lakaran natin papunta sa taas. So, ayan ang aking mga kasama. Mga hikers, mga yarn. So, kung gusto nyong pumunta sa Castle Peak, dyan kayo mag-start. Tapos dyan kami nag-start, papunta doon. So, ayan, sige, lakad lang. Tiisin nyo yan kasi ginusto nyo, diba? So, alright. Samahan nyo kami na pupunta doon at titignan natin ang view. So, ayan nga. Lakad-lakad. Abangan nyo ang view mamaya. So, ang route namin dito is mag-exit kami sa Pineapple Mountain. So, hinati ko itong video kaya abangan ninyo ang part 2 hanggang sa video. Alright? You know. At akala ko ay malapit na kami, pero first spot pa lang, dyan kami nagpicture muna habang hinihintay namin ang aming mga kasama. So look at the view. Alright, so ayan, tuloy pa rin ang paglalakad ating mga kasama. So ayan, tiisin natin hanggang sa taas yan, step. Wala tayong magagawa, kaya tara na. So, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel, like and subscribe. So, ayan. So, dito pala may isang spot na pwede kang pagpicturan at makukuha mo ang view sa baba. Dito tayo. Yan. Makikita mo ang view talaga. Pero kulang pa yan. Kaya pupunta tayo sa taas. Kinakausap ako ng isang matanda, hindi ko naintindihan. Ayun, lang. Ayan, continue ulit. Malapit na sa katotohanan. Nasa gitna kami ng kagitnaan ng kabundukan, char. And then, stop kami dito sa taas at nag-picture-picture. Kasi ang ganda din, no? Sayang naman, kuha na natin ng picture para may remembrance tayong lahat. So, ayan. That's the view. Maamis ka talaga pag ikaw ay nag-hike. Kahit pagod ka sa trabaho, dito mo ikita ang dito mo ma-refresh ang iyong katawan. Promise. So, diba? See? Amazing. Salamat pala sa t-shirt kay Boss Giong. Masid yan, masid. So, ayan, nandito kami sa Castle Peak. O, diba? Yun ang tuktok niyan. Ang ganda talaga. Dito mo makikita mo talaga ang view ng ng Hong Kong at saka China pag asa taas ka na. Ang background yan is nasa China siya. Yun yung background doon, diba? Tapos yung mga bundok, yan ang Pineapple Dam. Kaya pupuntahan natin. So ayan, bababa kami, pupunta kami sa May Trigo. Yan ang Castle Picture. Alright, let's go. And picture muna kami muna. Charis. So, ayan ang ating Castle Peak. So, yan ang voice over na description. Lalagay ko dyan. So, bye. Continue watching and support us.
Castle Peak 583 meters, also known as Puy de Shan, is a prominent mountain in western Tuen Mun, famous as one of Hong Kong's 3 sharp peaks for its steep slopes, rocky terrain, and panoramic views of Tuen Mun. Deep Bay, and the airport. It is a popular, challenging hike starting near Tsingshan Monastery, often accessed by a light rail 610. Hiking experience. The trail is steep, often requiring a 2.5 to 3 hour ascent with significant elevation gain. While the trail is generally paved at the beginning, it becomes rocky and exposed, with potential for loose gravel, particularly on the ridge. That's time to hike. October to April is recommended for better weather. Safety advice. Due to the steepness and loose, unstable terrain, especially when descending towards Lung King Estate, it is often recommended to return via the same path Tsingshan Monastery. Location and access. Located in the west of Tunman, the hike is commonly accessed by taking the light rail 610, 615, or 505 to Tsingshan soon. Stop and walking to Tsingshan Monastery. Scenery. The summit provides almost 360-degree views, including the surrounding urban area of Tunman, the coastline, and, on clear days, Shenzhen and the airport. History. According to legend, a Buddhist monk named Pui, who lived in seclusion on the mountain during the Laosong dynasty, nearby area. The base of the mountain features the historically significant Tsingshan Monastery. Hiking routes. Standard route. Start at Tsingshan Soon Light Rail Station. Pass by Tsingshan Monastery. Ascend to the summit. And return the same way. Alternative route. Continue from the summit towards Pak Nai or descend via Lung King Estate, though this path is known to be steep and slippery.
Abangan nyo sa next video ko ang aerial view dito sa Castle Peak patungo sa Pineapple Dam. So, see you guys! Enjoy watching! Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye-bye!